Who doesn't have a store?
You don't.
You know.
This guy has a store too. Mickey's got a store.
Everybody's got a store.
Everyone here's got a store. This is a real entrepreneur hub. Got to Las Vegas with the modern day Al Bundy.
Modern day, 2018.
Women's shoe salesman. Very famous guy in Vegas. You probably don't like him.
What's happening?
And there's Lowell, a new entrepreneur with Lave. We're gonna go clean my shoes. Got Francis. Don't you got a store too?
Yeah.
What's your store called?
Refund.
Refund.
Who doesn't have a store?
You don't.
You know.
This guy has a store too. Mickey's got a store.
Everybody's got a store.
Everyone here's got a store. This is a real entrepreneur hub. Who else? What does the rest of the staff do?
Clothing brand.
Okay. What's the clothing brand called?
Downtown 6.
Downtown 6?
Yep.
Okay. What does Roman got?
Roman, what do you got? Recon. He has a store too.
Yeah, you got a store too. What else?
Sure. Downtown 6, Recon, Lave. That's it.
What's the biggest day of the year at the store besides Black Friday?
Spring break.
Spring break?
New Year's.
New Year's?
Fight weekend. There's a fight weekend.
Mayweather fight weekend. Conor McGregor.
It was Mayweather until this new Conor McGregor shift last like 18 months.
Okay.
You should listen. This is pretty good.
Is it? I'm vlogging at the moment.
Are you the tech guy?
Yeah.
Just because I'm Indian? Now we're in Las Vegas, Chinatown, at Lave. Drop off sneaker care. All right, love, tell me the deal here.
So this is our menu right here. Our washes start at 12 bucks. It's the Lave special. It's a little bit of everything, 30 bucks. If you want your shoe back to like be in dead stock, that's Lave fresh package. 30 bucks is a little bit of everything. Then 44 is basically the top, the bottom, the inside, deodorizing laces, the whole shebang. Usually a 3-day turnaround, but if you need it, we always can expedite.
How long does it take? If I wanted it right now, could you do it?
If you wanted to drop off and do it, we can do it.
Just have some cool merch.
A lot of like accessories for the crib. That was the whole idea.
Yeah.
Like retail stuff. Then we have our chair that we go on floor with. Fresh you can get it.
The barber chair. Where did you find this chair?
We made it.
You made it?
Yeah, we got it made.
What's the vision here?
This is just the drop-off sneaker fitters. We wanted a flagship for the brand itself.
Yeah.
And then obviously we wholesale to sneaker stores, big retailers.
So the main product is?
It's our sneaker cleaner.
Okay.
So it's 4-ounce bottle solution and our premium brush that works on every kind of fabric. Leather, suede, nubuck, canvas, everything that's usually put on a shoe.
And then
it's our shield. We have a range of products. This is our shield protection. Protects from water and oil. Microfiber towels. We sell the brushes individually, and then we just have like
refills.
Basically.
These are people leaving their shoes.
Yes, these are all shoes that have been worked on or being worked on. We do about anywhere from 50 to 100 pairs in a week.
Wow.
Depending on.
How do you source this stuff? Like, how do you source all this product?
So it's all made in the USA.
Oh wow.
We found somebody who
USA.
We found somebody who does bottling and does actually sneaker solutions.
Yeah.
And they've done it for other companies.
Obviously, this is a market that has other players already in it. What do you think is your guys' differentiating factor?
It's our scent, 100%.
The scent.
The scent.
What's the scent? Can I smell it?
Yeah, of course.
Let's smell this thing.
It's we derived it. It's a vanilla tobacco.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so it doesn't smell like your cleaner. Doesn't smell like pine sol.
It smells really good.
You find it?
Smells like an Italian leather factory.
I'm lazy, so I was cleaning my shoes right before I go to the club, so then I'd smell like the sneaker cleaner, like everything else on the market. So I go to hug girls and be like, what is that? Is that cologne? I'm like, oh, it's my sneaker cleaner. So I was like, I want something I'm comfortable wearing out, and it actually smells good.
Yeah. Did it cost a lot of money to start this business, or did you guys kind of bootstrap it?
Pulled everything. We did it ourselves.
Yeah.
From like A to Z. We found our own funding.
You found the customer first and worked into it, as opposed to just taking the risk and just hoping it works.
We use our network to find somebody who would, I don't know, back us and buy the order we needed, and we did.
Yeah.
And that gave us the, I don't know, the safety for us to actually.
That's a big lesson, because most people just go start a business and hope they find a customer. They actually found the customer first.
I failed in a business where I hung on so much inventory.
What was the business?
Slight underwear.
Underwear,
Yeah,
right?
man.
You would think underwear is a good business. She just said he still has the underwear. If anyone needs some underwear, hit
I'll
up.
sell it for like $2.
Yeah,
Like,
business was wholesale and
direct to consumer. I wasn't amazing in sales. So
Yeah.
it was so hard to get like, I don't know, into every door and find that network.
Yeah.
And over the couple of years that failed, I kind of built that network.
Yeah.
And I learned from 12 a.m., I learned from most of you guys, and I kind of was like, all right, well, I don't want to take that big inventory burden.
Yeah.
So let me try to find where I'm going to sell this first, and then fill those POs.
come back here. Can we bring the camera back
Some
here?
of the guys working on kicks back here.
Dope.
We got some
Wow.
red bottles getting worked on. Look pretty.
Jeez. What fabric is this?
It's
Micro
like
suede or something?
suede or nubuck, yeah. Those are some,
Those are leather, right?
some premium leather.
So you'll clean the sole too if they pay for it.
Yep, absolutely. We do anything. Laces, sole, insole, deodorizer. We've had some of this stink.
What's the worst shoe you guys have seen?
Dirty wise
yeah.
or smell wise?
Both.
Dirty wise literally was this shoe right here. We just posted it. They ran the Spartan race.
Oh wow,
So
it's
through
with mud.
and everything.
And that's it. It looks brand new. And
most-
what about smell?
Smell was
Someone shit their pants?
Yeah. Nima smelled really bad, but
Nima! What's wrong with your feet, homie?
we had a boxer that came in and he brought his boxy shoes.
Oh yeah,
man.
the sweat.
We have our own little system that works, and it's pretty cool. These guys nail it. Lave is to wash it to renew. It's an old English word that I found.
Okay, cool.
Like sitting there up late nights Googling.
So if I want to get my shoes clean, how does it work?
So when we do pop-ups, we go on tour to like different cities and stuff.
Yeah.
We just did activation at 12 a.m.
Yeah.
So we brought this chair. So literally, we'll have one of the guys jump on and do it. And clean
Yeah,
the chair.
let's do it. Let's see, my shoes are my New Republic sneakers. They got dirty after like a week or two. So it has the solution.
Yeah, just solution and a little bit of water.
Got it. So is it mainly sneakers or do people bring other types of shoes?
It's sneakers and bags, mainly bags. We've had a couple.
Bags?
Yeah, Louis Vuitton handbags.
Oh.
Yard handbags.
How much are those?
We just charge a standard wash.
Got it.
Yeah, depending on how dirty it is. The thing now is every host that we know comes up and put their foot up and spill cranberry on the juice. Like, I'm coming to you tomorrow.
Oh wow.
Alright, cool. Hermes brought this like, what is it? How much is that Hermes bag?
Oh, like 10, 15?
$50,000 bag. This dude.
Birkin?
It was a big yellow bag. Had a pen mark on it. We got the pen mark out.
Wow.
But it just had a scratch underneath it. We're like, scratch is a scratch.
Girls, come here. You can get your bag clean. You get into a little fight at the club. Hit up low.
I got you.
And how did you guys decide to do this business together?
So we know each other since he actually moved to Vegas, right?
Okay.
He's a host at Marquee. I go out a lot. And then we're
You
just,
go out a lot, huh?
that's mine.
That's surprising.
I've done this for a few years. So we,
So you gave up nightlife?
Absolutely.
he had some relationships. I knew business in the retail world and branding, so I created the brand.
Yeah.
He had the follow-up with getting the accounts we just talked about.
Yeah.
So together, it was a no-brainer.
And a lot of people always ask me, like, how do you find the right partner?
I think if somebody can bring something to the table and is a true asset to what you guys are doing, it makes sense.
It's like the open communication
Definitely.
and trust.
Absolutely. We literally have to meet every week or else we lose our mind.
And he's like the branding, and I'm the like accounts. So
Yeah.
like, it just
Do you think you guys' biggest opportunity is going to be wholesale or direct to consumer?
We want to get to direct to consumer being
Yeah.
our bread and butter.
Yeah.
But to get to get the exposure we need and to get
Yeah.
I don't know, our name out there and a foot in the door with all the right people, we're gonna have to kill wholesale first, I think.
Yeah, because it gives you, it's cheap marketing.
Absolutely. Exactly.
free marketing.
Yeah.
And then it kind of co-signs us, right? If we can work with these great brands and these great stores, it makes us look like we're legit, we're official, and
Yeah.
we're doing something correct. and
Yeah.
right.
And I feel like now that the sneaker business is like, it's gotten so big that it's like an investment for most people. So you have to take care of your investment.
Absolutely. And we would rather drive energy to the places that are carrying our product rather than trying to fight off everybody, right?
Yeah.
I'd rather work with Shoe Palace and do activations in their doors and
Yeah.
I don't know, work with like everybody that we're working with now rather than being like, well, they carry our competitor, I just want to go be in our lane.
Yeah.
Like, I want to be on the shelves too.
Yeah.
And then we'll see who does better. I think the next like evolution after like the sneakers stuff is I don't know, the lifestyle play. Like we want to do like the candles, the infusers, the things with that set that we were talking about, and kind of grow the accessory part of it, grow the lifestyle part of it.
What about like, you know, you said someone brought in their handbag.
Yeah.
The women that own those handbags predominantly would never walk into a place like this, right?
No.
Because they don't know about this. I don't know if it could be the same environment as the sneaker guy, right? Because like,
Yeah, the girls get walking away from in the club.
yeah, because you guys have a network, so those girls will come. But like, I'm talking, you know, the Brentwood housewife who has 30 Birkins.
I think it's being opening in other stores they're familiar with, right? If we had a Lave inside of a Nordstrom's or inside of
Barney's,
Barney's, which would be amazing. It kind of, I don't know, it elevates our brand. It makes us look more premium, and then it speaks to that consumer that we talk to on a regular basis. Like the sneakerhead girl, there's this big in this huge thing of dudes that are saying, I mean, I want to target them. I want them because if they're saying yes, they're gonna make their.
Well, girls just take care of their stuff way more. Like my wife's handbags are in perfect condition and have all gone up in value more so than any sneaker on
and they're in
earth.
dust bags.
Like yes, like her Chanel stuff. I was like, this bag is how much? Like it went up in value, like Ken Griffey Jr. rookie card. Yeah, I mean, I think that women's thing is really interesting because that's like, I don't know where women go today.
Go to restoration. They go to like this place that they'll fix your red bottoms and paint your red bottoms.
What about bags?
Yeah, they'll fix
I know they'll fix the bags. What about cleaning?
I don't know if they do with it. Yeah. But that's why we're staying in this lane so much for now. Like we don't want to get in the restorations yet. We don't want to get because we want to own the cleaning world.
Yeah.
We clean everything in the space, and then our product is used on everything.
We obviously all know sneakerhead because that's what we're into.
Yeah, for sure.
My guess is that opportunity is way bigger.
Yeah.
I mean, think about women's handbags. Like
And suede, you know, suede is one thing that we are amazing at. You know,
Yeah.
like suede is everyone's fear, but it's like, yeah, just bring us your suede. Like, please let us show you what the before and afters are.
Yeah.
We've seen mud, we've seen throw up, we've seen like everything on shoes. We have actually the most Yeezys. Yeezys come in the most because people are scared.
People wear them. And
People wear them. People are scared to use any other kind of like plastic brushes on them, so they're easier to pay the whatever 18, 20. But here, take my shoe.
Is there an e-com version of shipping your shoe to you guys and then shipping it back?
So we just started the Fresh Club, which is like a membership program for people that want to get their shoes washed on a regular basis. You get either 4, 8, 12 washes in a month.
And then how
we
do
pick up and delivery locally?
Oh.
Put it up to our friends and family for the shipping because we're like in beta testing. We want to see how it works before we open it up to the public.
Is DJ5 a member of the Fresh Club?
He is.
I did. That's what I saw. Shout out to DJ5 and the Fresh Club.
Marketing.
I saw it. I was like, "What's the Fresh Club?"
E-Rock jumped on board.
Okay.
E-Rock, we molded something a little different for him because he ships in a lot of stuff.
Okay.
Flies in only once a week.
Yeah.
Five lives here. E-Rock flies in just during the weekends.
Is there like a VIP thing for like what I just experienced? Some basketball player needs his shoe cleaned. Would you guys
Absolutely.
do that?
We'll definitely do
We'll
it.
make stuff happen. Like because it's
Vegas, right?
It's Vegas for one.
Because that's where people, I feel like you're in nightlife, or you were, you know that like these requests are insane.
It's crazy. Like, we've gone to the Win, picked up shoes and dropped shoes off.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Like to like DJs, DJ
For
managers.
yeah, for like a client. Yeah.
Yeah. So and it's us, right? Like there's no big hierarchy. It's us running our business and making it happen. Absolutely.
Yeah.
We do whatever to be happy.
It's the mom and pop shop, but with the like corporate vision.
Interesting about Jason Mark, so it's in downtown. I live in West Hollywood, Little Tokyo. I don't go to downtown, but I wanted my sneaker cleaned. But I needed, it has to be within, I don't leave my one, in LA you don't leave your 1 mile radius. It's like New York City, 400 Starbucks, because if it's on your corner, you'll go. If it's across the street, you won't go.
And that's why the beauty I feel like about opening in Chicago, I can do downtown, Bucktown, or Northside.
Yeah.
Just the foot traffic itself, the high rises, is you're talking like 30 to 50,000 people.
Is there a dress shoe business too? Like, do guys come in with dress shoes or
We
not?
do. So we actually do a lot of suede loafers. I'm really good with the suede game, but our solution works as a conditioner.
Got it.
It's made out of the natural oils.
Okay.
It just works as a cleaner throughout any type of style of shoe.
You look like you need a cleaning.
I need a cleaning.